Hey you guys, this is Rebecca with Everyday Rays. I just wanted to correct myself. I think I said in my video earlier, well it was yesterday I think, that the acrylic paint that I used was called Apple Bottom. And I want to apologize, my head was hurting so bad I couldn't even think. But I believe it's Apple Barrel. So I just wanted to correct myself there. And also at the end of this video, I wanted to put a calendar of May of 2019 this year at the end of the video for you. Nothing special about it, but Mother's Day is marked on this calendar. And I hope that you give me a thumbs up and you really like and you subscribe. That would be awesome. And God bless you all. Hey you guys, this is Rebecca with Everyday Rays, Journey of a Woman. And I just wanted to show you the project that I have started now. I've been using acrylic paints, of course. It's Apple Bottom brand that you can get from Walmart. I'm sure that they have the, there's other places you can buy it. But I always just go to my local Walmart and pick it up. But basically, this was one of those little, cheap, let me show you. Particle board. See that? Or pressed together particle board, whatever you want to call it. Shelves. And I wanted to do something different with it. I wanted to give it some life because all I was going to do was just take it and get rid of it anyway, because I'm doing spring cleaning everywhere in the yard and the house. And this is my parents' old house, so I'm just going through trying to do a lot of cleaning up and all that. But anyway, and so I've used the acrylic paints. As you can tell, you can see a lot of the colors that's in there. There's red, there's purple, there's blue, there's white, there's gold, there's an orange color, the Key West color, of course. That's one of my favorite colors that Apple Bottom has, is the Key West. But anyway, as you can see, the other side. Come around here, we can see the side. And I've got this back part. I painted it, but I haven't got the other sides and stuff painted because I want to do something different with that. So, this is the project I've started. And then I've got this book called Designer Paper. It's got different, this is like a brick. This is like, I don't know, like postal card looking, whatever. This has got like a newspaper print or magazine print or something. And it's like a graffiti on a brick wall. I don't know, sand. I'm not really sure what that's supposed to be. That one's really cool. I think that one's pretty cool. Then you just got the plain red. Another, like a rustic looking one. There's blue with like gray and black or whatever in it. It's kind of cool looking. Another like postcards, whatever. This one's really cool. Looks like wood with the hearts. I really think that's cool. Oh, this one's really neat too, with all the different letters and stuff and the colors. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's like black and white, and I don't know what it's supposed to be. Something. This one's really neat, like a Journal de Paris, like a Paris journal, whatever. This one looks like a chalkboard, which is kind of cool. This would be cool on a project you're doing for like using chalkboard paint or, on a piece of wood or something. This one's kind of neat. You can see the design on it. Almost like a tree bark or something. This one is like a weave pattern. It kind of looks like a hay bale rope or some kind of rope of some sort. I think that one's a little neat. And in this book, you know, I don't even remember what I paid for it at Walmart, to be honest with you. I'll just show you the different ones. This one's kind of cool too. But yeah, they've got little books like this in the craft section of Walmart you can pick up. I've had this one for a while. I've used it on a few other little things or whatever. But anyways, now I'm going to pick out some paper that I want to use, and I'm going to decoupage it. Or Mod Podge it, whatever you want to call it. And we'll put it on the sides here. And put it on the bottom. I'm also going to put it on the top. And then I've got 3 little pieces right here. And I'm going to decoupage, or Mod Podge, sorry. Whatever the ones I want. And I don't really want to use the same ones. I want to use like 3 or 4 different ones. Maybe 5 or 6. It depends. And it's not going to be a, you know, like a clean, you know, whatever. I'm going to rip them and put them on there and see how it looks like that. And that's what I want to do on all 3 of these pieces, and on the top piece on the inside and the bottom piece on the inside and on the sides here. And then on the back, when I turn it over, of course I'm going to paint the, you know, the little side pieces and stuff like this all around the back. And I don't know, I'll either paint the back piece or I'll, you know, put some paper on it and Mod Podge it. It depends on, I guess, my mood at the time. Who knows? Who knows what I'm going to do? So anyway, this is my project I've started now, and I've already started it. My camera doesn't last very long. The batteries hasn't been lasting very long. So I'll probably, as I go through, I'll take a bunch of pictures and I'll just add it on here to this video. And that way you can see, you know, what I'm doing little bit by little bit through the picture.
Happy birthday.
Aww.
And happy Mother's Day.
Happy birthday and Mother's Day, y'all. Look. What did I get? Besides my steering wheel cover. I got a tripod, y'all. Look.